Namaste. In today's video, we will be demonstrating Camatkarasana. We will also share with you a few preparatory practices that will help you in the final version of the posture. For the first practice, begin in seated dandasana. Bend both the knees and place your feet on the mat. The feet remain parallel and hip distance apart. Place the left palm behind you with the fingers pointing to the back. The right hand is close to the face with the elbow bent. As you inhale, lift the hips up towards the ceiling with the right palm close to the right ear. Exhale back down to the mat. You can repeat this practice a few times or until you are comfortable staying in the practice for a few breaths. When your hips are lifted up into the practice, ensure that your feet and the palm are firmly grounded into the mat, giving you a strong foundation. Repeat the same practice with your right palm as the base and your left palm close to the left ear. For the second of the preparatory practices, begin while sitting in dandasana at the right side of your mat. Bend the left knee and place the left foot against the right inner thigh. Place the left palm behind you with the fingers pointing to the back. Extend the right hand in line with the shoulders. As you inhale, lift the hips up, allowing the right toes to reach the floor and the right fingers to reach towards the back. The left toes are tucked in and the left knee is resting on the mat. Exhale to release the practice. You can repeat the same practice on the left side. Once you are comfortable with these two preparatory practices, you can then attempt Camatkarasana. To begin, sit in dandasana, bend the left leg, placing the heel on the mat in line with the right knee. Place the left palm behind you, fingers pointing to the back. Extend the right hand out towards the right toes, keeping the arm in line with your shoulders. As you inhale, lift the hips up towards the ceiling, allowing the right toes to drop to the mat. You can even lift the left heel up towards the ceiling. In the final version of the posture, the right leg remains straight and the right hand is extended away from the head, allowing the back to experience a mild back bend. Stay in the posture for a few breaths and release with an exhale. You can repeat the same sequence of practice on the other side. As a counter, sit in Sukhasana and do a simple twist, releasing any tension that has built up in the back.